Don't even think about getting rich with Shiba Inu yet. Most of you just don't have enough. There's a new groundbreaking analysis of the Shiba Inu price. It explains step by step on how the new all-time high will be reached. And it actually proves that we don't have time. No time to prepare at all. Shiba Inu dev team sends a huge buy signal. Everyone is ready to break new highs. And the massive euphoria wave starts now. This is a very important video, so let's not waste a second of your time and get straight to the point. Disclaimer. What a wonderful start to the week. Shiba Inu has seen some impressive gains on the price charts, making investors feel more hopeful. After the rocky start to October, or so-called Uptober, with a sharp price crash that rattled everyone, things are finally stabilizing. And now, 7 days into the month, it seems like the worst may be behind us, and confidence is starting to return. One of the Shiba Inu team members, Lucy, highlighted this recovery in a tweet that really caught attention. In her post, she talked about how what you put out into the world eventually comes back to you. She emphasized the importance of doing good and being helpful, suggesting that if you act with integrity, good things will follow. On the flip side, she warned that being deceitful will eventually come back to bite you. And that's interesting. Lucy's tweet feels like more than just a comment on Shiba Inu's recovery. It almost reads like a reminder to the community that the ups and downs of crypto, much like life, reflect a kind of karmic cycle. Perhaps she's pointing out that after the tough moments like the price crash at the start of October, the positivity and hard work from both the team and the community have finally led to better outcomes. In a way, it speaks to the idea that success isn't just about quick gains, but also about the long-term impact of your actions. The philosophical tone of Lucy's message adds depth to the moment. It suggests that in both investing and life, patience and goodwill are key. If you're supportive and contribute positively, rewards will follow, whether that's in the form of financial gains or just the satisfaction of doing the right thing. This could be seen as a motivational boost for investors to stay focused on the bigger picture, encouraging them to keep faith in the project, even through the lows. But what's really fueling the excitement right now is something a Twitter user pointed out. The last Bitcoin halving happened 166 days ago. Based on history, this is when the bull market should kick off. This observation has caught the attention of many investors, reigniting the hope of a strong rally. As you might remember, back in April, when the Bitcoin halving event was approaching, there was so much hype surrounding it. People were expecting the halving to trigger an immediate surge in prices. But instead of seeing the market soar, what happened was the opposite, a sharp crash, leaving a lot of investors feeling disappointed. The excitement quickly turned into frustration, as those quick gains everyone anticipated never came. But what many missed back then was that historically, the real bull market doesn't start right after the halving. It takes time. If we look back at previous halvings, the pattern shows that the market starts picking up momentum a few months later, not instantly. This lag period is part of the natural cycle, but it's easy to overlook when everyone is eagerly waiting for things to happen right away. And now, with the recent market recovery and the buzz around Uptober, this discovery by the Twitter user adds a new layer of optimism. It's as if the pieces are finally falling into place. The market is stabilizing, the timing of the Bitcoin halving aligns with past patterns, and people are starting to feel like the long-awaited bull market might be just around the corner. This combination of factors is giving investors a renewed sense of confidence. This time, they feel like they're on the verge of something big. And maybe they're right. What we saw at the start of October, with that sharp market crash, might just have been a bear trap. And now that it's behind us, we could be riding a wave straight into a period of euphoria, which is extremely bullish. What's even more interesting is that Bitcoin whales are buying in at levels we haven't seen before. And you should already know that these large-scale investors don't make moves lightly. They have a lot to lose, and they typically only make significant investments when they're confident about the potential for profit. The fact that these whales are buying right now seems to confirm the assumptions many are making. It suggests that they see this moment as a turning point, something worth the risk because they believe the market is headed upwards. This whale activity is like a seal of approval on all the optimism, signaling that those with the most at stake think the bull market is truly about to begin. And with all this excitement building up, some analysts are already coming up with catchy names for the months ahead. Samson Moe, for example, recently tweeted, "After Uptober comes no-dip-vember." It's a funny play on words, but at the same time it shows just how confident people are becoming about the market's direction. The optimism is so strong that even jokes like this carry a sense of certainty. But here you might be wondering, what's with Shiba Inu? Well, amid all this, a notable market analyst, Alan Santana, shared some interesting insights on TradingView. He believes that Shiba Inu's current price represents a significant low, suggesting that this might be the final accumulation zone before a massive uptrend in the coming months. According to his analysis, as we move closer to 2025, the entire altcoin market is entering its last accumulation phase of 2024, offering a final chance to buy in at lower prices before the big bull market hits. This is huge. According to him, right now the prices are low, but they won't stay that way for long. If Santana's prediction is right, those who get in now could be in a prime position to benefit from a strong upward swing when the market finally takes off. As he points it out, it's that last window of opportunity before prices climb, and that's why this moment is so crucial for investors. Meanwhile, Santana explained that this accumulation phase will last several months, giving investors plenty of time to make their move. He pointed out that the current bearish trends align with his earlier predictions from his pre-2025 bull market series, where he expected one final dip for major altcoins before significant growth. Santana emphasized the importance of a buy-and-hold strategy and discussed different trading techniques, along with the psychology behind market movements. His confidence in this scenario is clear, suggesting that if things play out as expected, investors can feel assured of a major bull run heading into 2025. As for Shiba Inu's recent modest rise, Santana wasn't surprised. In late September, Shiba Inu spiked over 50%, marking a 3-month high, but then retraced. He expects this current dip to last only a few weeks, followed by a recovery period that could lead to steady growth well into 2025. For Santana, the key is preparation. When you anticipate drops like this, you can adjust your strategy without the panic. He noted that price movements only shake investors when they catch them off guard. And right now, things seem to be unfolding as planned. Experienced investors might take this as a chance to sell high and buy back at lower prices, while beginners could simply hold on and ride through the cycle, which should fully play out over the next few months. Santana even projected that Shiba Inu could rally over 400% after breaking out of its current consolidation phase, and potentially retest its all-time high from 2021 by early 2025. This might explain why the official Shiba Inu Twitter account recently made a post saying, "When Shiba Inu hits a new high, I'm going to," and asked the community what they do when Shiba Inu reaches new heights. It seems like the team is just as confident about what's coming, and now it all starts to make sense. The excitement building in the community, the strategic analysis from experts like Santana, it all points to a big moment for Shiba Inu on the horizon. And here's something really important to think about. If the price target for Shiba Inu materializes, the potential gains could be life-changing for some investors. Right now, if you were holding 1.25 billion Shiba Inu, worth around $22,000, you'd be looking at a future where that turns into a cool $100,000. For those with 6.25 billion tokens, about $110,000 today, their investment could skyrocket to $500,000. And then there are the investors sitting on 12.5 billion Shiba Inu tokens. Right now, those are worth just over $221,000. But if Santana's predictions play out, that same holding could grow to a staggering 1 million. So, it looks like the Uptober is finally about to show its real potential. But what is your opinion on that? Comment down below. I'd be eager to read your opinion. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, please like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.